Hello and welcome to Matt Presents. So today we are going and we are getting 4 new tyres on the car. So it's been an advisory for me for the last year essentially, but I forgot about it until I saw my car was due its MOT, so I thought, I know, I'll go and check and see what needs to be done before my next MOT. And there I saw it. It's only really the front tyres that need to be done, but I thought, well, I have a feeling the back tyres will need to be done as well at some point, so I may as well just get all 4 done at the same time. So right now, we're on our way down to Halfords, and I've pre-ordered the tyres as well. So that makes it a bit easier for us as well, because it's not going to be a shock on the price or anything when they say, oh yes, this is X amount of money, because we already know how much it is, which I will tell you at the end of the video as well. So onwards we go to Halfords. Right, so yeah, we are here now at Halfords garage. So we're going to take the car in, well, the keys in I should say, and go and get my 4 new tyres in. So, keys are all handed in. Now we're going to go for a coffee just whilst we wait. So yeah, right, we are back home now, and the car's all been done, new wheels are on, took it for a nice test drive. It was like driving a brand new car. It is amazing. So I did say I would say to you how much it cost me. So the short of it was, in total, £300. However, I ended up paying £260 for the new tyres, mainly because I use Halfords Premium as well, and I also got free what is it called, alignment with the wheels as well. So that's all done. So just so you can see as well, this is the garage. This is where I am going to be working from very soon, as I do work. This is my work from home desk right here. So yeah, it's coming along nicely, and the kids are now trying to get their prams out of the car, sorry, out of the garage. So I think I'm going for a walk. Thank you very much, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.